In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to deal with creating data-driven personas. Right now, I'm in research under user studies, and I'm going to use the sample study. What kind of study do you want to import? This one has a lot of participants, and it has a lot of age ranges and demographic information that is great for creating data-driven personas. So basically, any study with open-ended questions or quantitative questions or all around qualitative and quantitative data, UX360 supports it. But this one is mostly participants, and if I click on one, you can see that there are raw notes and their snippets and their name, interview date, location, as well as age, marital status, just basic demographic things, and there's also room for backstories. In the profile, you can fill this out, or when you import your information, this will be filled out more if you have a category with certain questions in it. So let's go back, and now I'm going to go into research and into affinity groups instead of user studies. As you can see, some groups have been created here. So this is just an affinity group that's been created with people that are single. And to create your own, all you need to do is click Create Persona right here in the corner. And this pop-up asks you, how do you want to create your persona? And you can enter baseline information, or you can base it off user research study results. And this is the data-driven persona. Click Continue, and from the persona you can choose affinity groups or user studies. We're going into the sample study, so just click that and click Continue. And now you get to this page, and it shows you all of the participants, and on the left hand side it shows you how you can filter your data. So you can filter by tags, demographics, or job profile, and if you hover over them, depending on what kind of entry you put in, this is a slider or a range will just pop up. So let's say we want to click on demographics and do it by age, and maybe the range is 25 to 40. And now we can apply that. And now that filter has been applied, and these are the remaining participants that go into the category. So let's just go ahead and go with that. You can add more if you want to, but this is the basic level. We can go and click Continue, and then we can name our affinity group. This will be ages 25 to 40. And then we can click Save the group. And now we get sent to this page where we can confirm our data. And in the right-hand panels, you see that there are frequency distributions and charts for each tag. And let's go into demographics and click age 25 to 40. So this breaks down who is what age, and it seems like there are a lot of 36-year-olds and 28-year-olds. And you can go ahead and click through all of these and see the different distributions based on ages 25 to 40. We can go into job profile, and you see the breakdown. From ages 25 to 40, there are 2 managers, 5 senior designers, and this gives you the breakdown of it and the total on the bottom. So this is just to double check, and once you've done that, you can go ahead and click on Finish and Detail Persona. And to name your persona, let's name it Ages Test for now. And I'm just going to put it into unassigned, but you would want to put it in a specific persona set where you can find it. So I'm going to click Add. So it'll bring you into the template finder, and you can choose one from here. And there are some really cool ones that are in participants and experience data. So some of these have pre-populated charts in here, but I'm gonna go ahead and click on the blank default because I feel like that's the easiest to start from, especially if you're working with a very specific study. So click on blank, click done, and you have a blank canvas. So now working with the canvas with data, you can go ahead and click on user profile data and go into primary photo and drag that out, and you can make a primary photo for the affinity group that you have. Or you can go into affinity groups, go into ours, which is ages 25 to 40, look into tags, and you can see all the tags are here. Background and profile demographics, we can pull out age, and then there's the mean right here, and then all of the frequency distributions. We can do a gender distribution right here, and you would just basically make a persona page based on this data. So the key is to go into the affinity groups data category and click on either tags or the background and profile blades and pull out the categories you want to show. So maybe job title, and again, you see that there are 5 senior designers, or 71% from ages 25 to 40. Now, if you want to learn about the basics of creating personas, go to the persona module and also the modeling basics module. So that is how you create a data-driven persona, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.